problem based on distance and time. Bob and Tina started at the same time at the same point towards opposite directions. Bob drove at 75 km per hour and found that they were 564 km apart. What was the average speed of Tina if Bob had driven for 4 hours? Okay, so let's draw a diagram. Let's say that Bob and Tina start at this point at the same time. So they're traveling in opposite directions. So one of them will go towards this direction and the other will go towards this direction. Let's say that Bob goes towards this direction. The speed of Bob is given, that is 75 km per hour. And Tina goes towards this direction. We don't know the speed. Now after 4 hours, the total distance covered is, the total distance between them is 564 kilometers. This is after 4 hours. Okay, so how do we solve this problem? Now we know that the time that has passed is 4 hours. So let's find out the distance that Bob would have traveled away from the beginning point in 4 hours. In 1 hour, his speed is 75 km per hour. So in 4 hours, it will be into 4, and that gives us 300 kilometers. So after 4 hours, he would have traveled 300 kilometers. So this part in the diagram will be equal to 300. So we can easily find out the amount that Tina would have traveled from their beginning point. Tina would have traveled 564 minus 300. 264 kilometers. Why? Because the total distance of separation between them is 564 kilometers. So if Bob contributes 300 kilometers, Tina would have, the rest of the distance would have been due to Tina's traveling in this direction. So Tina has traveled this much. In how much time did she travel this distance? They both started at the same time. So if this is the distance after 4 hours for Bob, then this will be the distance after 4 hours for Tina also. So the time is 4 hours. With this info, we can find out the speed, and that is 264 by 4. This gives us 66 kilometers per hour. So this is the average speed of Tina.